No more questions? Any more?
Mike Walters, Daily Mirror, this is for Floyd. Floyd, apart from a minor problem in the parking lot in Birmingham, how warm has your welcome been in Great Britain?
Say what? I didn't hear you.
Sorry, apart from a minor problem with the parking lot in Birmingham, how warm has your welcome been in Britain? And has it made you wish that you had fought here in your prime as a fighter?
I guess everyone asking me, keep talking to me, saying that my automobile caught fire. My automobiles are in the U.S. So let me make this clear, my automobiles are in the U.S. But I like the story because it was all around the world. It was good press. So, thank you. I don't know, we have trucks all around the world that says TMT. You know, I've gotten so much support from people from all walks of life. So you see TMT trucks in Africa, you see them in Russia, you see them in Dubai, you see TMT trucks everywhere. Just because the TMT truck catches fire doesn't mean that it's my truck. That's safe to say. So, but my stay here has always been great. Royal treatment, and I just want to say thank you to everyone in London, to everyone in the UK period, for embracing us, me and my team, with open arms. We're very, very thankful.
Any more? Any more?